if you'd like to go to Krabi Islands and find out all about them like I would, because I have no idea about Krabi Islands, then make sure you watch this video. Thanks!
Hi there guys, Sean here from Star Marine with Jay.
Why have you got a banana?
I checked in.
What?
I got picked up from the hotel.
Why would you choose a banana
got
over
ordered
donuts?
No, I'm feeling healthy. I went for a run today.
I went for a run yesterday.
Yeah, so how does the tour normally start?
What?
How does this all normally start?
Not with a banana.
Oh, it's yummy.
Go on, eat it.
Oh.
Oh, I like the way you ate that. Come back and eat it on camera. Please come back and eat it on camera. Come on. They want to see you eat a banana on camera.
Anyway, this tour...
Have a bite of your banana. Can I please have a bite? You'll have a bite of your banana. You shouldn't have bought that banana, should you? You're regretting that bit now, aren't you? Anyway, this tour is all about Krabi Islands. Now, Krabi is a different province from where we are. That's right, look, it's here. Big sign, on the map.
But the islands are here. And then here. And then here.
Okay, so the islands are here, but this is Krabi. Now, Krabi's beautiful. I really like mainland Krabi. I think it's a stunning.
Beautiful.
What are you going to do with that banana?
We're going to go
Where are you put that banana?
the Krabi Islands today. So it's going to start like normal with a hotel pickup where you're going to get brought to the pier. You're going to meet your wonderful guide.
It should be you today because I have no idea about this.
Jay.
Hi, I'm Jay. I'm going to take you to Krabi Islands. But
Can you show me where it is on the map?
Yeah, it's somewhere over here in this area.
So once you met Jay
and had a donut,
a better version of Jay that knows how to actually do this.
Is there a better version?
Yeah, not really.
Yeah,
You're awesome. No. We love you.
Thank you.
Heaps of people on YouTube.
That was a terrible tap on the back. That was one of those ones. Yeah. Keep going.
Anyway, you're gonna get to the pier. You can have a banana like I did. You can have some donuts. You can have some soft drink, some water, some juice. Don't have the coffee. It's really horrible.
Coffee's not good.
Everyone in our office, we order out.
I know. Good for the environment, us, keeping our carbon footprint up.
At some point in time, we're going to fix this coffee situation.
It is funny when I get here and then all of a sudden there's someone on the motorbike with 1,000 coffees. It's like, you own a coffee shop.
You know what the
next
funniest
door.
part is? Guests turn up now and they come up and they go, Sean, it's actually not that bad. I came here just to try how bad it was.
Oh, honestly, it's those stupid packs of 3-in-1. They're
Yeah,
horrible. Yeah, anyway, right, Krabi Islands.
So we've checked in, we've signed in, we've come to the very famous map.
It's the map!
And your guide is going to talk to you. And this, honestly, great tour. So much happening in this tour. Very different to...
Underrated, I feel.
I feel like it's got a little bit of everything.
Has
this
it?
tour, yeah. So, like, for example...
You talk us through it, mate.
We could come down onto the boat.
Well, just give us every tour has a boat.
Yeah. And then on the boat, we're going to have mask, snorkels, all that kind of stuff.
Every tour has a mask, snorkel, helmets if you need them, torch if you need them, fresh fruit, soft drinks, no Dr. Pepper because Sean's giving it all away.
Right. And then we're going to come out. My idea for this tour...
Oh!
We're going to come out, we're going to go up between Yeo Yai and Yeo Noi. And here's some Thai trivia for you.
Oh.
Noi means small, Yai means big. Okay? So we're going to go between the very big and the very small island, and we're going to come to the very beautiful beach. What's the beach called? Lemhat Beach.
Yeah, what he said.
As featured in the movie The Mechanic, which has got Jason Statham and
Can I just
Jessica
hold
Biel.
on, just stop. I'm just warning you now. Don't make the same mistake you made in the last video that came out. I don't know when it came out. When you mentioned
Can't talk
something
about movies we're doing.
No, exactly.
Yeah,
so just
fair
keep
enough,
that.
fair
Okay.
enough,
Right.
fair
All right. Thanks.
Well, you did Love Island out.
I don't think it's not Love Island. It's a version of Love Island.
Oh, really?
With the Dutchy people, they were smoking the bigger the weed for them smoking. They weren't. They
We
were not smoking reefers.
We were not filming that.
No. They were
not
just
part of that.
They were lovely Dutch people. Hello, they're Dutch people.
Anyway, you're going to come to Lemhat Beach. Lemhat Beach is beautiful, and here's the tide for you. Lemhat Beach is beautiful in a mid-tide. You don't want a high tide, and you don't want a low tide. You want a mid-tide, and if you can, the best version is a rising to mid-tide.
Oh my God!
And you're going to see a beautiful beach here.
Because I know all our listeners, all our watchers know about tides.
But you won't know anything about it, and that's fine. You just ask your guide. They'll tell you how to design it in. That way, sometimes it won't be your first stop, it might be your last stop, and that's because the tide is affecting.
Can we get to Krabi?
After that, after Lemhat, we're going to head on out to Ko Nok. You know Ko Nok quite well. You were there the other day.
Yeah, can I tell my story about Ko Nok?
You had a disagreement with an Australian there.
I did have a disagreement. I didn't have technically a disagreement with the Australian.
Allegedly, this didn't happen.
No. I was friendly with him.
And allegedly, Love Island weren't there.
No, it wasn't
Had
Love
nothing to do
Island.
with them.
Nothing.
Anyway, so Ko Nok here, it's a beautiful sandy beach, very long beach, with a very beautiful viewpoint right up the top.
It's got a great sunset if you can see it.
Yes. So normally I would go Ko Nok for a bit of a swim, and then head on over to Ko Hong.
Would you do that first, would you?
Yeah, I would. I love it.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
All right.
Then I'd go across to Hong.
Yes.
In Hong, I'm going to go into the Hong Lagoon.
I went there with my parents a couple of years ago.
Yeah, you left them there, right?
No. Oh, be careful what I say now. After
mummy.
yesterday's interesting conversation I had with them.
Anyway, you're in Hong Lagoon, and then after Hong Lagoon, you can go around to the front beach.
Yes.
If you're feeling energetic, you can do the hike like Jay did.
I did the hike, and I have to say,
How many steps was it? 2,000?
It's not 2,000. There's only about
100?
no. It's about, I reckon it's between 150 and 250 steps.
Right, yeah.
I reckon.
But was it worth it?
It was worth it because the views you get up there. Now we've done a couple of videos about Sandip Najari, which is thank you, which is a viewpoint up in Phang Nga Bay. As you fly in. When you come into Phuket, generally you fly in over the beautiful emerald waters and the limestone cast coming up of Phang Nga Bay.
I love how you do it. Every time we go into this, you go, coming up. Like
I'm being expressive.
I love it. It's so awesome.
My theatre studies teacher taught me to be expressive.
Your teacher who? What?
I know. They didn't teach me.
Studies.
They didn't teach me how to
God,
speak.
yes.
They just told me to be expressive.
If
I'm expressive.
anyone can help us out, please.
It's been a long weekend. Anyway, the viewpoint up there is stunning and it is beautiful, and you get the views that you would get if you was on the plane.
So I got a nice beach.
Yes.
I got 2 nice viewpoints.
Yes.
I got a nice lagoon.
Yes.
I got another nice beach.
Yes.
Now I need a snorkel.
Okay, well this is a bit.
So you can go to Lot Ladin.
Excuse me.
Lot Ladin, known as Paradise Beach, very famous, well known on TikTok.
Is it a genie?
No. But they did do the Red Bull cliff diving competition there a few
You allowed
years
to
ago.
talk about that? Just checking. Other energy drink jumping off cliffs are available.
Can we start to hire a lawyer to India and check my
We need
videos?
someone just to sit there and go, no.
You don't have to say any of that.
Is this the place where you tell me you can see clownfish?
Yes, so Low Ladin, you can go snorkeling there. There's also, just across from Low Ladin, the island's not here on the map, but behind it, there's a very, very good snorkeling spot there. You also have Pak Bia, which is both a beautiful beach and nice snorkeling. And also in here, they have a swiftlet bird nest. Like what you see here at Viking Cave.
Oh, for bird nest soup.
Yeah, so
that's right.
You think about it. Beach, viewpoint, beach, snorkel, and bird's nest cave. That's pretty much everything that everyone wants in a tour, all done.
I was hocking up because that's what the bird is spits.
Yeah, I don't want to know about it.
Okay, good.
So that's basically what I would do, and then I would come back inside here.
Hold on. What's the distance between there, like time-wise? Do you reckon
From
it'll
here
take
to here, 35 minutes.
So that's not too bad, is it? That's
not
right.
bad. Then once I've finished the tour here, I'm going to come back to Ban Rim Nam. You know why?
Because it's an amazing restaurant and it's got a really good dessert, famous dessert. It actually made me fall in love, not fall in love
we
actually.
filmed a reality TV show there too.
You can't talk about that. But they had the sticky rice dessert. It's really nice.
Oh yeah, the
it is
bananas.
good. I don't often like dessert, but I like that one.
So then after that, then I might come back to Nakhon Noi or even Rang Ye for a little beach time and a swim, and then back to the pier.
Sounds an awesome tour.
And that's one version of the Hong Krabi Islands tour, because some people might like to go a little bit further out, come to Gai and Poda, or even Koh Dang, or even Railly. For me, I'm not a big fan of those islands. I like this area more, so that's how I'm going to design my version of it.
What did you call it?
Railly.
Is it not Riley?
Could be either.
Just checking.
You know, I have pronunciation problems.
Yes, you do.
Yes.
Maldives.
Shh. So anyway, Hong Krabi, then we've got Kai, Poda, Railly, also over here is Koh Dang. There's another 6 islands here as well that you can snorkel at. There's actually a lot to do in this Krabi Island area, and we don't expect you to know everything.
No.
Your guide, they will help you design the tour on the day to suit the tide of the day, to suit the conditions of the day. And here's a hot tip for you. Very hot tip for you.
No, build it up. Hot tip coming up.
Jay?
Yes, Sean. What's your hot tip?
When we go to our low season,
what are we doing?
Which way does the wind come from?
Oh, I need to be that side, excuse me.
There we go.
Am I doing windy wind or windy wind?
Windy wind.
Windy wind!
The wind's going to come this way.
Windy wind!
So what's going to happen is we've got Phuket
here. Stop now, what are you doing?
Come again.
Windy!
Phuket's going to stop the wind. So that means all the way over this way.
We double high five.
Generally, we're dealing with very, very calm waters. So the Hong Krabi and Krabi Island tour is a very, very good tour to be doing in the off season.
Did you see what we did there?
Yeah, no, we're getting good
I know.
at this.
Well, it's only because I find it really weird being that. So it's like sleeping on the other side of the bed with your girlfriend.
But if you're also very confused, don't worry. You can talk to us to discuss what tour will work for you and which tour program is best for you. And your guide here, not Jay, someone better than Jay, will help you to design something that works for you on the day.
That's right. If you want to know more about the Krabi Island tour, then make sure you ask Sean. Send him a WhatsApp, because he's back up in his WhatsApp right now, which will take about 4 hours.
Come back for the bananas. They're really yummy.